at Computex 2026, and now of course ASRock is famous for motherboards too. All right, so we have Freddie.
Hi.
Freddie, how's it going? Let's go. Let's take a look.
And this year we have the main topic of our motherboard is this year is 10 years of our Taichi motherboard. So we display some iconic Taichi motherboard.
All the previous Taichi series. So let's go check it out. So yeah, I remember this one. This was the Intel X99 Taichi. Oh, look at that. It brings back memories. If you look at this side, it doesn't have the plate. That's how it was before. you have to put your own backplate there. Your PS2 keyboard and mouse, remember that? Okay, cool. So this is the very first Intel X99 Taichi. Notice it has SLI, remember that? You'll be able to put two video cards in there to give you SLI. Yeah, X99, so it uses the Intel chips there, but you usually have to quad memory. Used to have quad memory, not anymore. That's kind of dated now. Moving on to the AMD X370 Taichi. Look at that. Again, it brings back memories. Look at that. Oh, look at that heat sink there with the heat pipe. That was probably the first generation of the heat pipe cooling. Oh, it brings back memories. Okay, moving on to X299. Okay, the next kind of evolution in the X99 series. Well, it has the very classic, iconic kind of cog wheel there design. Again, this is where you have a lot more PCI slots there. Again, X299 Taichi. Very nice. Okay, next X399N. Yeah, this one is the AMD TR4 based chip. I remember that. Threadripper. Again, dual channel, quad channel memory, and look at that. I remember this one. I think I had one of these.
This one is the only micro ATX from
micro ATX. The only micro ATX motherboard with the Taichi series. Right, moving on. Taichi Radeon card, okay. I do remember this, but I never had a sample to play with. But yeah, they have the very classic RGB ring, which makes it really look good. Yeah, Radeon X570 XT Taichi. OC edition there. Alright, and moving on to these ones here. Well, I remember the X570, the Razer edition. Yeah, they had a collaboration with Razer, which you see you've got the built-in fan for the chipset, Chroma RGB, I remember that Razer. It works perfectly with all the Razer ecosystem with the mouse, keyboard, and it matches really well. And then the Z690 Taichi Razer edition. I had the Intel version, I remember. But yeah, it goes with the Razer edition of the Taichi.
This one is the first one that we actually put the gear in motion.
Yeah. So we have another.
This one actually can move.
Yeah, I remember this one. This actually, the cogwheel actually moves. Yeah, amazing. So yeah, the Taichi, there's Z590. Wow, bring back real memories here. All right, we have the X870 Taichi. Yeah, I remember that also with this nice looking design here. Yeah. We had also an Aqua version, remember? That was a limited edition anyway. And then moving on to Z790, which was the previous generation. Again, has a lot of features. Look at that. V860 E Taichi. Then we have the graphics card. This at the back then at the time, this was one of the most powerful graphics card ever. RX 7900 XTX, the Taichi 1 edition, which I actually reviewed and unboxed a while back. We also have a power supply, the Taichi power supply. This one was probably one of the first ones I've seen, 1650 watt in terms of power capacity. With very good, look at this, it's real heavy. All right.